Find your calm, the gentle flow of water over ancient stones, surrounded by the hush of green trees and the warmth of the sun. A perfect moment of pure tranquility. Close your eyes and imagine the rhythmic whisper of the stream, a natural melody that washes over you. Feel the warmth of the sun dappling through the leaves, casting soft patterns on the water. Breathe in the fresh, clean air, carrying the subtle scent of damp earth and green foliage. This is a moment to simply be, to let the peace of nature seep into your soul. Listen to the water's soft gurgle, a lullaby of timeless beauty, pure relaxation.